In this question, it is given that let delta be the area of the region formed by this set of points. Then you have to find the value of this. First of all, I draw the graph of this portion, this and this. This clearly represents a circle with center 0, 0 and radius under root 21. Radius is under root 21. And because less than equal to sign is there, therefore interior points will also be taken for the set of points satisfying this condition. And y square less than equal to 4x. First, I draw the graph of y square equal to 4x. Y square equal to 4x is this portion, we know it. But now, because of inequality, shading will also come, but shading will be outside or inside. This we check with the help of any point. Say this is a point 1, 0. 1, 0 satisfies this? Yes. Therefore, shading will be inside portion for this. Hence, for parabola, this will be the graph and the set of points inside this. Yes, afterwards we'll be rejecting this portion outside circle because we have to take only the common shaded region that is inside the circle and inside the parabola. That is, so far I have got these set of points are there which will satisfy this condition also and this condition also. And looking at it now, I draw the graph of x equal to 1. The graph of x equal to 1 will be a straight line parallel to y-axis, but we have to decide whether the straight line will be on this side of this point or on this side of this point. For that, I will find the x coordinate of point of intersection of these two curves. That is, I will solve the equation x square plus y square equal to 21 and y square equal to 4x simultaneously. That is, I get x square plus 4x minus 21 equal 0. That is, the value of x is minus 4 plus minus under root 16 plus 84 by 2. That is, x equal to minus 2 plus minus 5. But it is clear that x coordinate of this point is sure to be positive. Hence, I will be taking x equal to minus 2 plus 5, that is 3. That is, x coordinate of this point is 3. Hence, the line x equal to 1 will be somewhere here. This is 1. Therefore, common shaded region will be obtained by this set of points, and hence we will find the area just above x axis and double it. Clearly, this point has x coordinate 3. This point has x coordinate 1. This point has x coordinate under root 21. Therefore, the required area will be double of 1, 2, 3. For this portion of the parabola, equation is y equal to under root 4x, that is 2 root x, that is 2 under root x, plus for this portion we will be using the equation of circle, that is 3 to under root 21 under root 21 minus x square and dx here also. Now first I calculate it. 2 into x power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 1 2 3 plus, we know that under root a square minus x square dx, The integral of this is x under root a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. And using this formula in this portion, I get x under root 21 minus x square by 2 plus 21 by 2 sin inverse x upon under root 21 and 3 to under root 21. Plus will come here. This outside 2 will be taken care of afterwards. That is, this is 4 by 3, 3 to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 to the power 3 by 2 plus for x equal to under root 21, this is becoming 0 and this will become 21 by 2 sin inverse 1 minus for x equal to 3, it will become 3 under root 12 by 2 minus 21 by 2 sin inverse 3 by under root 21. That is 4 by 3 into 3 root 3 minus 1 plus 21 by 2 into pi by 2 minus 3 root 3 minus 21 by 2 sin inverse 3 by under root 21. This is equal to 4 root 3 minus 4 by 3 plus 21 pi by 4 minus 3 root 3 minus 21 by 2 sin inverse 3 by under root 21. According to question, delta is denoting the area of required region, that is shaded region. Here we have to put the value of delta, that is we have to find the value of delta by 2 minus 21 by 2 this. Actually the answer we have got is the value of interior portion. Into 2 is also to be done. Therefore according to question, delta is twice of this whole. Hence delta by 2 will be equal to root 3 minus 4 by 3 plus 21 pi by 4 minus 21 by 2 sin inverse 3 by under root 21. Hence the value of delta by 2 minus 21 by 2 sin inverse 2 by root 7 is equal to, using this value here, I get root 3 minus 4 by 3 plus 21 pi by 4 minus 21 by 2 sin inverse 3 by root 21 minus 21 by 2 sin inverse 2 by root 7 is equal to under root 3 minus 4 by 3 plus 21 pi by 4 minus 21 by 2 sin inverse 3 by under root 21 plus sin inverse 2 by root 7. This is equal to root 3 minus 4 by 3 plus 21 pi by 4 minus, and now I would like to use the formula of sine inverse x plus sine inverse y equal to sine inverse x under root 1 minus y square plus y under root 1 minus x square, provided x square plus y square is less than equal to 1. But if x square plus y square is greater than equal to 1, I will have to write pi minus sine inverse of same thing. That is, if x square plus y square is less than 1, we will be using this. For x square plus y square greater than 1, we will be using this. For equal to 1, you can use any one of them. Both are correct. And here note that x square plus y square is equal to 1, because 9 by 21 plus 4 by 7 is equal to 21 by 21, that is 1. It's very easy to see that if x square plus y square is equal to 1, then the value of this will become 1. Hence the value of this whole will become pi by 2. Therefore, because this square plus this square is 1, therefore the value of this whole will become pi by 2. Therefore I get root 3 minus 4 by 3 plus 21 pi by 4 minus 21 by 2 into pi by 2. That is, this will cancel with this. I will get the answer root 3 minus 4 by 3. Hence I conclude that fourth choice is the correct choice.